We all felt the same till date that India's most profitable fast food chain is either McDonald's or KFC. But the truth is that most profitable fast food chain of India is Domino's actually. The two of these guys aren't even nearby to the profitability of Domino's. Then the question arises, how the hell did Domino's manage to do this? And what are those business strategies being used by Domino's to beat the brands like KFC and McDonald's? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startupplanes.com. I am Muritendi and I am back with another case study. So let's get started. In June 1996, Jubilant Foodwork, which is the master franchisee of Domino's, opened first store of Domino's in India. And today, there are 1300 plus stores of Domino's in India among 282 cities. In fact, in this pandemic, where even brands like McDonald's, KFC and Pizza Hut were finding difficult, in the same pandemic, Jubilant Foodworks made a profit of 309 crores. And due to this, stock of Jubilant Foodworks got doubled in the last 1 year. That means it gave returns of 100% to all its investors. Despite the pandemic, how was Domino's able to do all these things? So Domino's identified 3 such things in Indian market which are subliminal. That is, the things which happen but isn't easily visible to everyone. The first thing is the power of hierarchy of needs. Understand this very carefully. According to Abraham Maslow, we humans have 5 types of needs. Our first need is psychological need, that is food, clothes and shelter. Our second need is our safety needs. That is, we need some amount of security or safety in our life. Psychological needs are there as our third needs. After that, we have our fourth need, that is self-esteem. All of us need to feel good regarding ourselves. And the fifth is the need of self-actualization. That is, in this stage, you have achieved everything that you want to do in your life. And now, you want to discover your inner self. So these were the needs in human being discovered by Maslow. Now how did Domino's use this? All of us jump on the second need if our first need is completed. If your physiological needs aren't satisfied and you don't have food, clothes and shelter, then what will you do with the security in your life? Similarly, first we fulfill our physiological needs and then move on to other needs. Domino's identified that whenever anyone orders food, then the primary need is hunger, and we try to fulfill this need of hunger as soon as possible. That's why Domino's focused only on their delivery. Other restaurants like McDonald's, KFC, Pizza Hut focus on our third need, that is psychological need. That all of us need a good customer experience whenever we are eating the food. You will find fabulous interior and serving staff on the outlet of Pizza Hut. All these things seems good too much. But this isn't the most urgent and most important need of any human. Now, if we look on today's date, then delivery is being done by all the restaurants due to Swiggy and Zomato. Then, why Domino's is able to provide a guarantee of 30 minutes and free? Answer to this is hidden in the second strategy of Domino's. Before moving forward, let me tell you that you will find a lot of case studies on our channel. So please subscribe to our channel, and if you are liking this video, do hit the like button, and now let's move forward. So the second strategy of Domino's is that lead consumption appetite. In simple words, till the time you are not having the capacity to fulfill the demands of consumers, till then don't spend money on marketing. And why is that? Because look, though marketing you will generate leads, demand will be generated in the market, but because you are unable to fulfill that demand, so the same customer will be taken by your competitor by fulfilling the demands. Domino's mainly did 2 things to make possible the delivery in 30 minutes. The first thing is outlet clustering. If you notice, then you will find at least one outlet of Domino's in every 3 to 5 kilometers. Before opening them, 2 things are being analyzed very strongly. First thing is disposable income. Wherever they want to open an outlet, they check the disposable income of people living in that radius of 3 to 5 kilometers. Because when people don't have money to eat pizza, then what's the use of opening an outlet over there? And the second thing is route load. They check how much traffic is used to be an average on every route in that area. If routes have more traffic, then shortcut routes are being found, through which they will be able to provide the delivery into 30 minutes. Only after analyzing critically these 2 points, Domino's open any store in that particular area. But still, traffic is an uncontrollable thing. Domino's can't control it. So to tackle that, Domino's make sure that there is a buffer time of 18 to 20 minutes in between cooking and delivery time. That is, pizza is being cooked and dispatched for the delivery from Domino's outlet in 10 minutes itself. And how all these things are possible so quickly? I'll answer this. So Domino's mainly did 2 things for this speed. The very first is step elimination. As Domino's is a QSR, then there must be standard procedure for everything. But the real speed of Domino's is being achieved by eliminating cooking steps. And how does it happen? So, if you see, then all the raw material imported to Domino's is either pre-cooked or ready to cook. Even the dough received to make pizza is delivered totally ready to the outlets. That's why now the staff of Domino's is only need to spread it, put sauce, toppings and cheese on it and keep it in the oven bed. Due to which pizza is being cooked in 10 short minutes. But standard operating procedure, menu engineering, inventory managing, and even awesome marketing, all these things were done by McDonald's, KFC, and Pizza Hut too. But then why these guys are in losses? And despite pandemic, how Domino's is such a profitable? So answer to this is the third strategy of Domino's, which is cost leadership. There are 2 types of cost. One is the organization need to bear, and other is the one which consumers needs to bear when they purchase the food. As Domino's focus on their delivery, so 95% of their outlets are opened at very small places, due to which their expenses on rent, electricity and staff are very minimal. That's why you will get Domino's in every tier 2 and 3 cities. But you won't get McDonald's, KFC and Pizza Hut there, because their operational cost is very much than Domino's. As Domino's is having less operational cost, they are able to offer pizza at low cost to people. And when people get pizzas at low cost from Domino's, so they prefer to buy from them only. And as I told you in the start, that Domino's focus on the prime need of the consumer, that is hunger. So that's why pizza of the range of 40 to 45 rupees is much more stomach feeling than some range of burger. And only this thing forces consumers to buy products only from Domino's and not from the other. Now, the most important, what are those business lessons which we can learn from this case study and implement in our business? So the first lesson is look for paying magic. In your business, find a thing for which customers will pay money anyhow and put your primary focus on it. They saw that the primary need of the consumer is hunger. And to finish hunger, customers is willing to pay anyhow. Lesson number 2 is system and processes before marketing. NAB. Always look carefully that your system and processes are on point. Because if your systems and processes aren't on point, they can't do anything by marketing. As by marketing, you will be generating leads, and that lead too will be taken by your competitors. Now, the third and the most important business lesson, create a greedy proposition. Look, in your business that you can create a greedy proposition in it. 30 minutes or free. This is such a greedy proposition which forces customers to look it for. That let's see by ordering once, as if not in 30 minutes then we will get it for free. Likewise, you look into your business that you can create a greedy proposition in your business. Because this will provide you customers for long term, and then the customers won't leave you back. Only and only due to your greedy proposition. this was it for today's video. I hope it was interesting enough, and if you want to know more about us, do visit our website called startuplanes.com. Also, don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. All the important links are given in the description box. Thank you so much.